Here we have a 2018 BMW 540i XDRIVE M Sport Touring. Now this vehicle comes with 20-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition just there. You can even see the big blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We also have the stunning blue metallic paintwork. We have the LED headlights, the 2 kidney grills at the front, along with the M Performance kit, which includes the front splitter. We also have the second alloy wheel just here, again in excellent condition. We've got the M Sport badge just there. Taking a step back, you'll find the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows, the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top we have the black roof rails, along with the shark fin antennae. And down here you'll find the third alloy wheel. Taking a step back, we have the front and rear parking sensors, along with a reversing camera. At the rear of the car you'll find the quad tip exhaust just down there. We have the XDRIVE badge just there. We also have a power assisted tailgate, which opens just as easy as that. Inside here you'll find plenty of space for whatever you may need. We also have a 12-volt connectivity just there. Up here, if we press this button, you'll see the boot close just like that. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Having a look at the fourth and final alloy wheel. And coming inside now, we'll take a look at the back. As you can see, we have a full leather interior with contrasting white stitching. We have the foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO points down there. We also have the separate climate control for the rear passengers just there. Another 12-volt connectivity at the bottom. Onto the doors we have a brushed metal handle and electric windows. In the front you'll find the same full leather interior. However, these front seats are electrically adjustable and they are heated. Just there. We have the same brushed metal handle along with the electric windows and electric mirrors. Over here we have the auto lights. We have a multifunctional steering wheel, which you can control the cruise control and speed limiter just there. We have paddle shifters for both sides. If we put our foot on the brake and press the start button, the vehicle starts up for us. And as you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard. Moving over into the main infotainment screen, you'll find the likes of sat-nav. We also have media, such as radio. And if we scroll across, we also have all these different options, such as CD, Bluetooth audio and USB. Sorry if the screen is flickering, it's not like that in reality. We also have phone connectivity just there. Scrolling across, if we go into My Vehicle, Vehicle Settings, go to Lights, you'll find the Ambient Lighting just here, where you can choose between all of these different options. So let's just choose green for an example. Now this looks very nice when it is dark outside. Also, if we put the car into reverse, you can see the reversing camera just there, along with the visual display for the parking sensors. Let's put it back into park. We also have different drive modes such as Eco Pro, Comfort and Sport. This also changes on the digital dashboard, so there's Sport, there's Comfort and there's Eco Pro. Moving down, if we press this button, you'll find the intelligent safety options just there. Again, further down we have the climate control with the heated seats buttons just there. Further down from there we have some storage space with a USB connectivity just there. 2 good sized cup holders, 12-volt connectivity. We have the gear stick just here, traction control button, all of the drive buttons just there. Here are all the shortcuts for the main infotainment screen. We have the handbrake button, the auto hold button, the parking sensors button. We also have the nice soft touch leather armrest, which can be opened up for additional storage space. We also have a 12-volt connectivity just inside of there. However, that is everything I'm going to show you today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals, free next day nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.